Anybody who's built something, redone something, you know what's involved. This thing is lowered. And you want to talk about lowering your car or your truck. Imagine lowering one of these babies, huh? Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we have a little something different. Got this really cool big rig. A friend of mine's son, Robbie, took it out of a field and did a little work to it, you know. And you might like what he did. I know I do. But yeah, he put a little time into this thing. So check it out. There it is. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Imagine that. Like I said, took it out of the field, went through it, you know, a little bit of time. And you guys know, anybody who's built something, redone something, you know what's involved. This thing is lowered. And you want to talk about lowering your car or your truck. Imagine lowering one of these babies, huh? Absolutely crazy. There's a trailer. Look at the trailer's nice and polished and beautiful. But yeah, did a really super nice job on this thing. And you can eat off of that frame. It's absolutely nice. I'd love to see this thing all lit up nighttime. This thing is beautiful. What do you think, Jackson? You like this thing? Huh? Yeah, that's cool. Definitely a cool ride, man. Jackson's over there on his Hot Wheels bicycle, checking it out too. But there you go, little quick episode on nice cool big rig. See y'all later. Bye bye.